Have you done enough to protect your crypto on Kraken? I see so many people, myself included early on, just use a basic password and maybe a standard authenticator app, and think that's enough for an exchange that holds significant funds. But in the crypto world, you have to be your own bank, and frankly, a standard approach won't cut it against dedicated attackers. The security features Kraken offers are top tier, but they only work if you use them. So let's talk about the absolute essential, straight-to-the-point security practices I personally use and recommend. Layer 1, Passwords and 2FA. First, your password must be unique and long. Forget easy-to-remember words. I use a secure password manager to generate a phrase of at least 15 random characters. This password is for Kraken only. Next, two-factor authentication or 2FA. This is non-negotiable, and the key is to use the strongest method. Avoid SMS 2FA at all costs, it's vulnerable to SIM swapping. The standard authenticator app is good, but a hardware security key or passkey is the gold standard. I use a physical YubiKey for my main sign-in 2FA because it's phishing resistant. The code is generated by the device, not an app that can be compromised. Crucially, you need to enable 2FA for every action, not just sign in. Set it up for sign in, funding, withdrawals, trading if you're a high-volume trader. Layer 2, Master Key and Global Settings Lock. This is where you get into the paranoid, yet necessary, level of security. The master key is your account's last line of defense. It's a separate 2FA method required for high-risk actions like resetting your password or removing other security settings. Rule of thumb, the master key's 2FA method must be different from your sign-in 2FA. If I use my hardware key for sign-in, I use my authenticator app for my master key. This separation is vital. The Global Settings Lock, GSL, is another great feature. Once activated, it prevents any changes to your account settings or withdrawal addresses for a preset time. I keep my GSL active almost all the time. If a hacker somehow gets in, they still can't change my withdrawal address to steal my funds for several days, giving me time to react and lock my account. Layer 3, Email and Devices. Finally, securing your crypto is also about securing the perimeter. Dedicated email. I use a unique email address for my Kraken account that I never use for anything else. This significantly reduces the risk of phishing. That email also has a strong, unique password and a separate 2FA. Whitelist addresses. I only allow withdrawals to a short list of addresses I have personally approved, usually to a hardware wallet I control. Any new address needs a manual email confirmation. This is a must. Device security. I only log into Kraken from my own personal, secured devices, and I bookmark the official Kraken URL to avoid any phishing attempts through search results. These layers, strong unique passwords, multiple levels of hardware-backed 2FA, the master key, and the global settings lock, work together to form an incredibly difficult defense. It's an inconvenience, yes, but protecting my assets is worth a few extra seconds on a key fob. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.